Hello everyone, my name is Surendra Sahu. Basically, I am from MP. I have completed graduation in BTech Electrical and Electronic Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed graduation but I didn't get any job, and one of my friends suggested to me join Evision Private Limited, and I joined internship program in Tech Evision Limited, and I learned a lot of program like CCNA, virtualization, networking, ITIL, cybersecurity, Windows Server, etc. And I get placed in innovative Tech Hub Pvt Limited at Pune, the role of senior executive in desktop support engineer L2 level, and I want to thank for all Evision team, all Evision team members and Sati ma'am and HR Gulnaz ma'am for providing me in training and program, and I want to suggest to you join Evision, join job. Thank you so much.